guys a checklist. 5 things that you can do starting this spring to get your yard up and ready for all the activity it's going to get during the summer months. Number 1 on my list is pressure washing. That means walls, driveways, fences, every hard surface that you have around your house, go ahead and pressure wash it. And then after you're finished pressure washing, number 2 on my list is to seal it. So if it's a flat concrete surface or a concrete paver patio, any walked on surface, you need to seal that with a concrete sealer. Then my 3rd step is aerating your lawn. Now this is the time to be doing that for sure. Of course, pressure washing can almost be done anytime, but aerating your lawn needs to be done in the spring months. We're working on ours right now. We're going to get that aerator from Home Depot, rent it out, get everything aerated, and get those little plugs out of the soil so that the soil isn't compacted anymore. Then we're going to do number 4 on my list, which is fertilizing. Now, after I aerate, I like to use a root growth fertilizer, and that means that the middle number is the largest number. You'll see 3 numbers on that bag of fertilizer. I like to use in the spring for my lawn after I've aerated a big 2nd number. That's the phosphate number. The 1st number is your nitrogen, and usually people are looking for a big number there, and that brings that really green growth that people like so much. But if you're having compacted soil and you need to really establish those roots again, look for a fertilizer that has a big 2nd number. And then finally on my list for spring is for you to install that mulch. Pine straw is always a favorite of mine. It's what we use pretty much primarily in the South here. But of course you can choose whatever kind of mulch you like. For your landscape beds, some people like the chipped up bark and things like that. Just make sure that it complies with, again, in the South, your termite contract, because a lot of termite contracts will be null and void if you use a mulch too close to your house that would draw that type of bug in. Pine straw does not do that. So those are my 5 spring tips. You guys get out there and get prepared for the summer.